Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the current Bitlocker state and why it asks for a key. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run Manage BDE status on the drive. This reveals whether recovery mode is active. Make sure you are signed in as an administrator and that you know where the recovery key is stored, like Azure AD or a USB. Once done, suspend protection via Manage BDE Protectors Disable so Windows won't prompt while you adjust settings. Now change the protectors that cause repeated recovery prompts. Identify current protectors with Manage BDE Protectors Get C, and remove duplicates or obsolete entries using Manage BDE Protectors Delete with the specific ID. If hardware or firmware updates triggered recovery, clear and reinitialize the TPM in TPM. MSC, then reboot to allow a fresh TPM binding. After that, add a reliable protector, TPM with PIN or generate, and securely store a new recovery key, so future boots authenticate without unexpected prompts. Finish by re-enabling Bitlocker protection and validating the fix. Use Manage BDE Protectors Enable, then run Manage BDE status to confirm the active protector and key ID match your stored recovery key. Reboot the machine to test that prompts no longer appear. Make sure any firmware or peripheral changes are reverted temporarily if you suspect them. If recovery requests continue, inspect the Windows event log for Bitlocker and TPM errors, and consider clearing TPM ownership and reprovisioning it with your organization's recommended process as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.